Good afternoon, Barrel traders. This is MikeB. I plan on doing a series of video recaps to document my next 20 trades, where my focus is on improving my profit taking. As you can tell from my scatter plot chart of all my 2019 trades I've taken, you can see that I am a lot right in here in the 1R to -1R. Only problem with that is you can't necessarily grow an account with that. So this sample set that I'm doing are the next 20 trades. My focus is truly on trying to push that profit taking above that 1R line and above that 2R line. If you want to know what my plan is and the details of it, I posted all that in the daily journal that I post online in the forums at Barrel Traders. It's open to the public, so feel free to go in there and take a look at it. In an effort to save some time, I'm just going to go into the trades I took today. And I will mention today was not a good day. I did not accomplish what I wanted to accomplish. So the first trade I took was on BAC. It was a little bit late of a 5-minute opening range breakdown, but with BAC it does move slowly, so you're not going to get those sharp moves right off the bat. I look for this sell-off and a pullback towards VWAP. With BAC, I was willing to let it go a little bit above VWAP and bounce as long as it can make a trend, because I had all these moving averages right below VWAP. What I was looking for was exactly what I got. No trend upward and a breakdown below VWAP and a break of all these moving averages. That's when I took my entry at a profit target set of 26.63 with my stop loss here at 26.92. I put this dashed line in on all my trades to set my stop because it helps me visualize when to take an exit. It helps me stick to my stop loss, just visual. Was not happy with the management of this trade. I should have gotten out sometime around the 945, 946, 947 time frame, as it was just closing above VWAP and having a hard time breaking below this 50 moving average. I didn't, and as you can tell, I got squeezed right here. I did hit the hotkey when my price line marker hit that 26.92 level, but it was such a quick squeeze that I got filled above. So that was BAC. My next trade I went into was AMD. I was looking for a 15-minute opening range breakdown, which actually turned into more of a 30-minute opening range breakdown. But as you notice again, you saw AMD selling off, and then it came back towards the VWAP, broke these moving averages, coming back. I watch AMD a lot and I trade it. So when I saw this 50 moving average sloping down, I knew it was going to test it and it would either reject it or it would continue higher. With the markets today, I kind of had a suspicion that it was going to reject that 50 moving average. So I allowed it to go up on this next candle. When it broke down below, I set my stop loss at 30.87. I wanted an entry below all these moving averages as they were kind of consolidating here. Got a good entry. I was happy with this trade all the way up to that point. From there, I wanted to take my first partial at 1R. I didn't quite get it here before the stock began to pull back, and then I let my emotions get to me because of that poor BAC trade that I had. I started letting P&L get into my mindset. So when this sold off, I didn't want to hold it anymore. I wasn't seeing the level 2 action that I like to see out of AMD, so I just took a full out position. And as you know, the stock did eventually sell off, but I would have eventually got my 1R and then would have been stopped out at break then. So trade, I didn't manage to trade well, but I would have been able to get the same type of trade that I was looking for in my plan. So those are my 2 trades today. I got 18 more to go that I plan on documenting. And again, if you want to know kind of the background of why I'm doing it, I posted it all in the journal that's in the forums on the BBT website. Hope you all had a great trading day, and I will see you all in the chat tomorrow.